QuData.com.
Greetings, friends. You're on QuData, and today we're testing a new image generator, Ideogram 2.0. This tool claims to be great at handling text graphics and design. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. We've decided to create an image on the theme Autumn and AI, featuring the text Autumn AI against an autumn landscape. This is an interesting challenge for the generator because it needs to show how technology can blend with nature. Here we have the Ideogram 2.0 interface, and we'll input the following prompt. A stylized text Autumn AI made from autumn leaves and wood textures, placed on a background of a serene autumn landscape with orange, yellow, and red foliage. We selected a 1:1 aspect ratio and an autumn color palette to fully capture the autumn atmosphere. Now, let's generate the image and see the results. The result didn't show the expected integration of technology with nature. The text looked too traditional. We decided to tweak the prompt by adding elements of futuristic textures. This time, we again chose the 1:1 format and slightly adjusted the color palette. The result was more satisfying, though it still lacked the futuristic vibe we were aiming for. Nevertheless, the graphics look very high quality. Ideogram has a magic prompt feature. Magic Prompt uses a locally hosted large language model to act as your personal assistant. It interprets your original prompt according to your instructions and optimizes it to maximize the variety and beauty of the images generated. And Ideogram 2.0 shows great potential for future projects. If you have ideas for what else we could try, share them in the comments. Subscribe to QuData so you don't miss our next reviews and experiments. Thanks for watching. Happy creating!